Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at some cars, some crazy mods done to them. Definitely will break your neck when you look at them. If you have not yet, go ahead and like and subscribe. We do live car meets and a lot more. I'm working on getting some more camera footage and all that good stuff for you guys. So just let me know what you guys think. And when you guys see these cars, go ahead and share your opinion. Drop it down in the comment section down below. I'm going to go ahead and do a big, huge shout out to my partner. I'm going to go ahead and blow it up right here for you guys real quick. His name is Swarm Mob. He does a lot of good videos. He's just starting off, as you guys see, 16 subscribers, so make sure you guys go jump over there and help him out. My favorite video is the RX-7 exhaust blast. He goes with me to all these nice car meets, so definitely make sure you let me know what you guys like. And let's go ahead and get started today's video. Like I said, we're going to be looking at some crazy cars. And, oh man, oof, did not know I was looking at a Mustang first, but it's all good. I'm not saying I hate Mustangs. I do like them, but I do not like them when they have these big fin flares on them. Man, they look like they're a boat. I don't know why, but every time I see them, they remind me of a jet ski or some type of speedboat. That's my opinion. But you know, it's a GT at least, so at least he's got that going. You know, a nice V8. Hopefully, if that's a real GT, I'm pretty sure it is. Never know. Um, in my opinion, though, if he just took these off and left the rims, I think it'll look decent, honestly. That's just my opinion. You know, that's just what I think. We have 14 cars, so this may be a little long or short, depending how fast we go through them. And, oh man. Well, that stopped me in my tracks right there. So, I'm going to go ahead and say this is definitely a Hot Wheels car. What is going on here? I'm pretty sure that's all messed up right there. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to look like that. Okay. So, this is definitely one of the cars if you see on the road, you will definitely turn your neck and break it. That's why I'm going to may call this video the neck breaker. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, this is a Hot Wheels car. Definitely, when you see this on the road, you would definitely look at it twice. Obviously, he's got the Hot Wheels going for him. Only one headlight, obviously. Uh, rims, I don't know. Not too bad on it. I mean, I don't know. Maybe you should put the other headlight on. Maybe. I mean, the mirrors look pretty dope to me. It's my opinion. You guys can share what you guys think down below. It's all on you guys. I'm not here to roast on everybody's car. I'm just sharing my opinion about them. But yeah, this is definitely a Hot Wheels car for sure. It's definitely what I'm gonna call this one. All right, let's go on to the next one, guys. Oh, okay. What do we have going on here? Is this the new trend with spoilers facing the wrong way? I mean, hey, that downforce though when he's reversing. That's all I gotta say. Bet he can beat you in reverse. May not be able to beat you in drive, but hey, he can beat you in reverse. Hey, he's got some nice rims on him. All right, I like the red with the black. Mud flaps, I don't know. I'm not a big mud flap person. Hey, is that? It looks like a little skirt, maybe. Maybe it's got a little aftermarket skirt on it, maybe. Pretty sure it's a rear diffuser, but I'm pretty sure that comes on the what is this? The trying to think. Camry or Corolla? No, this is Camry. Yeah, excuse me. I'm not that big with Toyota. Not really. I don't really pay much attention with them. Definitely stock exhaust. I'm pretty sure this is how it comes stock. All he did was add this wing on backwards. Definitely unique though. Definitely something you do not see. I mean, at least he's got the nice wheels to go with it. I mean, I don't know. If he did the chrome delete on it, and maybe it would look a lot nicer. And also, if you fixed this or just took it off, this is my opinion. Share what you think down below, all you guys. And man, this is an SS2. Okay, it's a Camaro. It's pretty cool to have a Camaro SS. I'm a fan of them. All right. He's definitely got some big rims on him for sure. I don't even know what these are. Some 30s, some 40s. Definitely riding high for sure. He's definitely riding high. This is something you definitely do not see every day. I mean, to me, if that's what you like, that's what you're into, that's all cool. I'm definitely not. I think putting wheels on a car like this is completely useful. I mean, why would you have a nice muscle car or any type of car that has decent power to it, and just throw wheels on this because that makes it kind of useless for the power and speed. But hey, not everyone's about horsepower speed, they're just about cosmetic and looks, obviously. But hey, at least he can say he owns a Camaro. That's all I gotta say. On to the next one, guys. See what we got here. Huh. Man, what a wow. The trend, the trend. I think this is the new trend. Is the spoilers or just having gigantic things on your car. This is a Mercedes CL 500. Okay, I do like those. They're not bad. Looks to be aftermarket exhaust, maybe, or just maybe tips. I do not know. What? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Looks like you got some nice chrome rims on it. I mean, I don't know. Definitely unique with that wing. I do not have much to say about this. I mean, I don't like it at all, personally. I don't. I think that's useless. You're getting no downforce with that, trust me. That is completely useless. I would like to see you open your trunk, though. I do. I'm pretty sure it's going to hit your windshield, though. I mean, hey, if that's what you're into, that's what you're into. That is all you. Just not my, no, definitely not my taste right there, sir. Sorry. No, sorry, guys. Nope. Alright, we got here a Honda Civic, as you can see. Um, yeah. A lot of red. He's definitely into red. We can definitely see that for sure. Wow. Um, fake hood scoop. Definitely cosmetic, or I'm pretty sure it's 100% fake. I'm pretty sure. Unless he actually cut into the hood and made it useful. Don't really know. Definitely got the scratches here. That one is white. That's really weird. Yeah, you can definitely tell he was red on this. I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't do this to my car. I mean, obviously, this guy's all about looks, cosmetics. I mean, that's what you're into. And I see he has a, I think that's a red spoiler on the back, or that may be a bar, but I'm pretty sure it's a spoiler. It's got red in the inside, at least. I mean, at least he's matching. I don't see his rims, so I don't know. Maybe he's got some black rims. I don't know, maybe, or red. Never know. Yeah, guys, so let me know what you guys think about this. This is just, it's not my taste at all. I don't understand. This to me just looks childish. Just looks like a high schooler. That's just my opinion, man. It looks like a kid got a Honda in high school and decided he wanted to make it look like Fast and the Furious and put all this stuff on it and did obviously a lot of red. I mean, maybe if he just did this all black, did the chrome delete all black, take that off, and take this off, and black, and you could leave that there. That'd look decent. I mean, I don't care about the spoiler. He can leave it, take it off. But if my opinion is, I would take that off and make the rims black and just have it sitting there, kind of black out. I wouldn't really do too much to a Honda Civic. I mean, I'm not saying they don't make good power, but I mean, to me, they're just not built for power, obviously. So, some Hondas, not gonna say all Hondas not built for power, but most Hondas aren't. A lot of people take a Honda, swap the motor, then they can build it for power. See, then you got a car that's built for power. But if you're just buying this to make it look like this, I don't know. That's on you. But it's just my opinion, guys. Let me know what you think down below. Oh, okay. Definitely do not want to make this guy mad. Definitely at night. Definitely do not want to brake check him, or he will light your world up. For sure. Now it's, I don't know. I do not know what the point of all this is. Maybe he has a hard time seeing at night. Maybe. I do not know. Wow. Let's see how many he's got here. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm guessing there's another one like that one. So 6. So he's got 6 on the hood, and he's got 2 fog lights right here, and then 2 more on the bottom. Wow, it's a lot of lights. It's definitely a lot of lights. You know, something you definitely see on a Jeep for sure. You know, this guy pulls up behind you, turns his lights on. You're gonna think it's a Jeep. Wow, just saying. I mean, hey, if that's what you're into, that's what you're into. But I don't know why you would want to do this. Like I said, maybe just because you can't see at night. But I would think this is something to do more in the country. This looks like it's in a city, maybe. I don't know. I don't know, man. If that's what you guys are into, that's your new trend. Well, there it is for you. It's not my taste, but hey, it is what it is. And I got a Ford 150. All right. First thing I'm gonna notice is that it's definitely oh man, I forget what they call this. I'm gonna guess. Oof, no, I don't even want to talk about that. I don't like it. I don't like it when people do this to their truck. They think it's cool. I mean, if that's what you're into, that's what you're into. Me, I'm not personally. I'm not. I do see those speakers though. You got to keep that open. Make sure you can hear it. And lost tag. Oh well. Pretty sure you did with your truck being that low and you're feeling every bump. Okay, let's stop. Definitely looks like aftermarket exhaust tips or an actual exhaust. I don't know. It's got some nice wheels on it though. Yeah, I do like those for sure. See some red suspension and all that good stuff right there. It's got a nice big antenna. If you're going to set your truck up like this, I don't even they don't even call it stance. I forget what they call it. Yeah, no. I don't know. I think it's useless, pointless, in my opinion, to do this to your truck. It's mainly for style. I'm guessing everyone does it with their trucks now. I guess it's all about the style and the look to it. If that's what you're into, that's what you're into. No hate. Aftermarket taillights, too, I see. Don't miss a beat. Yeah, yeah. Taillight. Oh, yep, there's a snap right there. Guys, go talk to him if you want. It's all you right there, but definitely not into that stuff right there. To fix this, if this is my truck, I wouldn't do this. I'd just lift it. I'd just put a nice lift kit on it and call it a day, leave it how it is. But if that's what you're into, that's what you're into. On to the next one, guys. And this is a BMW, I believe, X6. Yeah, it's X6. Like I said, I guess this is the new trend. Big wheels. Yeah. I mean, if you like riding high, that's all you. That's all you. It's all you. If you like riding high, it's all you. I don't know what the point is. I guess it's cosmetic style. You know, you want to look different, unique. Definitely, it's one way to do it for sure. For sure. Pull up in a car meet. Yeah, you're definitely gonna get recognized quite quick. I don't know if anyone's gonna actually talk trash to you. You may run into that a lot. They may say, "Why would you do that? It's wasteful." You never know. Let's see if we got another picture of it. I believe I do. Yep. Let's see what she is. It is definitely an X6. So yep, you're definitely gonna get. You may get some trash talk about it, how that's a waste for an X6. But I don't know if you're not a big BMW fan. You may not say nothing to it. But if you are, you may say it's a waste unless you're just into like M3s and stuff like that. You're not into actually any trucks that they make or SUVs. But no, I definitely wouldn't do this to it. No. I don't know. Maybe it's just for the look, guys. I don't understand. I don't. I guess that's, like I said, the new trend that's going around. I don't understand why people do this anymore. I don't. I given up on it. But hey, definitely gonna break your neck if you see this. You gotta turn and definitely look at it, and gonna look at it maybe once or twice and be like, wow, okay. And you know he's gonna be feeling everything on that road too. All right, on to the next one. Can't get a break with these spoilers. I can't. I can't get a break with them. I don't know. I don't know. I do not know. I don't. This is not even a good picture to see the whole car. Um, but yeah. No words. Sorry, I don't got no words for it. It's just not my style. I don't like spoilers. Like I don't like big wings on a car that doesn't look right, doesn't fit in right. I don't understand it. It just makes it look unique. We're gonna use a nice word, unique. It makes it look definitely unique on the car for sure. Um, I don't know. I don't like it. I think it looks a little ugly. That's my opinion. Once again, share down what you think down below in the comment section. It's all you. But yeah, it's definitely something I'm not into for sure. No. On to the next one. Man, another Honda. All right. Well, I mean, it don't look bad. Not as bad as I was expecting. For sure. I'm gonna be honest with you. It looks like a shark. It just looks like a shark. That's all I'm gonna say. I like the color on it. Believe it or not, I do like the color on it. I see it's got some paint right there, some black. Maybe it's peeling, or they did some crappy paint work and body work. Obviously, some scratches. That may be rust down there, or it's just really bad. That definitely looks like it's chipping or rust right there for sure. Yeah, guys. Once again, I don't know. This is maybe something you guys are into. I'm not. Honestly, if I had this, I would definitely get the bodywork fixed, repaint it, take this off. I don't know what the deal is with these wings. I really don't. The wheels, sure, I'd keep them. I'd maybe make them. I might just keep them white, make the car black, and lower it. I don't know why he has some thick tires on it. Hey, but you never know though. There could be this could be a sleeper under the hood. You know, you never know with these Hondas. You never know. You know, it might pull up beside you, and here you are in a Supra, and you know, the boy be trying to pass you. You never know. You never know what's in them unless you look under that hood. That downforce, for sure, for sure, guys, for sure, for sure. I don't, I don't know what is up with these wings. Man, all the pictures I got are wings. Man, that's something. I should call this the wing compound of 2021. I don't know. I'm not a fan of wings at all. I don't even know why you have this on your truck at all. I don't understand, sir. I don't. I mean, sure, it looks cool. Yeah, I guess. To me, it looks pretty dumb. Once again, free to your own opinion. But this is what I think. No, I wouldn't do it. Sorry, it looks ugly. No, sorry, sorry. Pull up to a car meet with that, and yeah, they definitely gonna look at it once or twice and be like, "Sir, what are you doing with that?" But hey, once again, do what you want to do. That's all you. What it's your vehicle, not how you want. Hey, all you. And this is the last one for the day. Save the best for last, huh? Okay, let's go ahead and Project 6, more like Project Penis. Wow. Wow. This is definitely what I picture when you say high school. High school teenager car. Or high school dropout. No, I'm joking. No, don't say that. It's definitely from Texas, yeah. Definitely, you know, gotta have that project up there with that nice penis. No, this dude over here is like, oh, yo, choking. Hey, you know, gotta have that nice wing stretch. You get that down force, you know. I don't even know if you got that down force now. Oof. I don't know. I do not know. I mean, I hope you can't climb in that trunk and push the seats down in the back and climb up in the car. I don't know. Maybe no one would steal that, and it looks like it's riding on some donuts. Oh boy, yeah, no one ain't gonna steal that. This is completely useless. You completely ruined your car. I mean, it was already ruined by this right here and this, obviously. And, yep, you just ruined your car. It's my opinion, guys. Safety first. Gotta have that light, obviously. You know, because these probably don't work. You never know. Oh, wow. It's a VIP. It's a GTR, guys. Oh, whoa. It's a GTR. Better watch out, boys. But, nah. This is... Oh, man. I'm sorry. This is too far. This is just dumb. This is just ugly and dumb. I don't know why anyone in their right mind would even do this. Obviously, it must be for the attention. Like I said, this is something that will definitely break your neck when you see it on the road, because you will definitely look back at this and be like, "Did I just see this?" In disbelief. Trust me, this is something you would definitely look at twice and probably throw up. Definitely, definitely. I mean, definitely. Did he? Is this custom made, or is this how it come? It looks like it's custom. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's weird. I don't even know what type of car this is, to be honest with you. I don't. I don't. I don't. Well, guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let me know what you guys think of today's video. Stay tuned for some more car meets. I may be doing a reveal of one of my weekend cars that I do take to the car meets. So if you like that type of stuff, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button, and share it to all your friends. Let them know I'm out here grinding, trying to grow up over in this YouTube channel base. And go ahead and shout out to my buddy S4 Mob, my partner. So until next time, guys, peace.